Alright guys, hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be trying to make some low carb zucchini bread. So the first step is set your oven to 350 degrees. And the hardest part about this recipe is going to be your zucchini. This is fresh picked zucchini from my garden. This recipe is from Sweet as Honey. I will leave a link in the description for the recipe. I'm not going to go through all the measurements, just hit the link and you can look at the recipe. So what I did was I got and used the grater and grated it up, and then I put a little bit of salt on it. I put it in the strainer. I let it sit for, I don't know, 15-20 minutes. Let it drain off there, and then I put it in just a dry, clean dish towel. And I just wring it out to get as much as the moisture out of it as possible. That's the key to it. First thing we're going to add is our almond flour. Then we've got our erythritol. I'm using the powdered erythritol. I just think the powdered stuff bakes better. Then we've got coconut flour. And then we've got baking powder and cinnamon. It does call for nutmeg and ginger, but I do not have any, so we're just going to go with the cinnamon only and see if it works out. So we're just going to whisk up our dry ingredients. Make sure that they're well incorporated. And we only have 2 wet ingredients basically. And that's going to be our eggs that we've already whisked up. And then our vanilla extract. We'll give that a good mix. And then we're going to combine that. We're going to toss that in there. And then we'll toss in our zucchini. And we're just going to give that all a good mix until we get a nice doughy consistency. So there we go, we got her mixed up. It smells good already. And then we're going to add our nuts. We got walnuts and pecans. And we're just going to add half the pecans. And give that a good mix. And now, after we get this mixed up, we'll be ready to throw this thing in a loaf pan and in the oven. Spray it down. And I don't think this thing's gonna fit in my little loaf pan thing here, but so I think mine's gonna take a bit longer to cook. I felt like I did a good job of getting the moisture out, but and then this is where we add the last half of the pecans. We just spread them out. Spread them out and just press them into the batter. We're probably gonna be looking at over an hour, so we'll put it in there for an hour and then check on it at 350 degrees. Alrighty, here we go. Looks really good. A little crispy on top. We'll put it in there for an hour, and we'll get it out of the pan now and see what we're looking at. All right, guys. So there it is. I'll just say the flavor is excellent and tastes really good. The only thing is that I didn't have nutmeg and I didn't have ginger, and it called for coconut oil or melted butter, and I didn't put that in there either. It seemed good enough with the way it was, so I went ahead and just omitted the butter, and then I just simply did not have the other seasonings. So the cinnamon, it probably tastes even better with the other stuff. You can't go wrong with that stuff. So, but it's perfect. It's perfect. It's nice and solid. Tastes good. Looks good. So anyway, that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you like this content, feel free to subscribe, hit the notification bell for my new uploads. Until next time, thanks for watching.